Northern Edge is a joint service exercise that focuses on attaining real-world proficiency in joint communications. Air tactics and command are the highlight of this exercise, but would never be a possibility without help from aircraft maintainers.
I think it gives us an ability to come out here and show what we do also. I mean, without us, the jets don't fly. So, I've got AFSCs, about 8 different AFSCs up here, all working hard and together to get these old jets in the air.
And just like any exercise, preparation and planning are key to success.
Well, we're very busy. There's definitely a lot of work to be done, and a lot of coordination goes into it. Well, we coordinate with logistics very closely as far as getting all our gear up here, obviously getting our airplanes up here, and all the support equipment, everything we need. So logistics is a huge part of it. So obviously we track that very closely. Obviously you can't do the work without all the equipment and the parts that you need to do so, and obviously getting all the people where they need to be as well.
Exercises like Northern Edge allow military members to enhance their warfighting capability and continuously be prepared to protect and defend.
They pay us to do a job, and we have to deploy around the world to do it. And coming up here is just like going anywhere else in the world. We have to deploy to the far reaches of the world and be able to put warheads on foreheads, basically. So and it takes a dynamic team of maintainers and operations officers and everybody across the board to make that happen.
Reporting from Eielson Air Force Base, Alaska, I'm Air Force Staff Sergeant Estrella Martinez.